White or squash washed. The blue team is serving a poached sea bass with pickled leeks, turnip puree, a squash blossom stuffed with tomatoes, and a purple basil vinaigrette.
Chicken sandwich.
But this is high-end, so I'm hoping that the presentation and the flavors will be the same and graceful, and the guests won't even notice that it's missing.
Good evening. How are you? Now you have a beautiful rib cap dish from the red team, and then a sea bass from the blue team. How do you think they compare?
The presentation of the blue team sea bass is superior to me over the red team steak. The presentation of the steak, I thought there was so much of it, I would never be able to eat it all. The flavor of the blue team sea bass, they did it to perfection.
Wow.
Great job. That's cooked beautifully.
Even though I prefer rib cap, I was a little taken back and turned off by how...
Do you like these curtains?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
I was thinking we were going to dress out of it.
Well, I need to serve some.
How about the tablecloth?
They're going to bleed out. They didn't like it.
They're going to bleed out, but they need it.
The red team rib cap.
They look funny on you.
Totally undercut. Red.
I'll take one, please. Yeah.
What is the missing here?
We're serving just the center slices.
The center slices? Are you telling me this is
We just wanted to have a nicer presentation, so we choose the uniform cuts that are in the middle.
You only sell the middle, the most expensive meat in the country.
Here's a question about portion size,
But
so...
they get 2 portions out of 1, that's fine.
Understood.
But you can't just trash that. It's not a chuck sake.
Understood.
That back there, what's
That's not
that?
rendered out. That's raw.
But if it's that raw on the ends, what's the middle like?
It's going to be completely undone.
Come on, Jason.
I didn't catch it on the line. That's my fault. We are seriously in the weeds, making mistakes.
Yeah, your
I
fault.
know.
So what you do when you slice the first slice and it's raw? What you
Put
do?
it back.
That's it.
I am completely embarrassed. Because if we're sending out raw steak, we're screwed.
We're pitching somebody out.
New Corrego Farmers Market, tomatoes ready at the peak of freshness.
I find it believe about the right twists their own packs. Got about as much in common. You're a mortician and me and
Were you a janitor and me a custodian?
Or you a ghost and me a spirit.
You got the right twist bags. It's time to decide.
the commitment to stay here in America and grow. I'm very thankful, and my family's very thankful.
Kids who come into my classroom, they know that Mr. Jackson is the rapping teacher. We call it the remainder that
Who's that? Who's that?
Technology is a huge piece of education. Using a pen for the first time on the one CPC is great. I'm able to highlight different rhyme schemes. I can actually see my lines while I'm shading in. I can change the weight, drawing directly on my screen. I couldn't do this on my Mac. I can definitely
So
see.
wouldn't you be more to learn from somebody that looks at least a little intelligent?
Right.
It's hard to take you seriously when you got a hair like that. Get low.
But if it's that raw on the ends, what's the middle like?
That's what I'll do. I'll get a hairpiece with one of them knobs on the top.
Come on, Jason.
The meat is under,
Yes,
okay?
we're now fixing it now.
Kate and Ebony, he's a song singer, he's a blast in the oven, then he's the rest.
Okay. We told them they take them too quick before they can rest.
You've got to talk to Ebony. Okay, chef. And that's your pride possession now. No one touches that.
Don't touch my meat.
We can't be serving raw meat. We really need to communicate with each other to get this train back on its tracks.
Ebony, anything on me?
I'm coming, baby. You know I can't give you undone.
Anything like that, chef. Pink. That's pink. It's good. One more slice, there's a portion. There you go. Perfect. Let's go, guys. Guys, you got 20 to go. Let's go. Come on, Miss Caitlin. You can do it. Let's go. No, don't do that. That freaks me out, all right? Use spoons. That's what a master chef does, not with your big paws.
I've been on this one.
Call for service.
Service!
No,
Freaks me out.
I just cleaned them.
Oh, this is
These
very
aren't that quick.
The winning gets for me is the red team. With the blue team sea bass and the red team green chap, I would go for the red cap.
Ebony, that means computer. Keep it going.
Thank you.
As messy as we might have started in the beginning, we came together. We sent out a dish that I could actually be very proud of.
Fish on the line, fish on the line. For me, the fish was cooked perfectly.
I absolutely love the fish, and I'm not a fish eater at all.
Last plates, red team, blue team. Come on, folks, we can do this. Keep pushing, guys. Come on, let's finish strong on this. Make sure every one of those plates is perfect.
You know, unfortunately, I got raw fish, and it's not just kind of raw, it's really raw. I definitely have to give it to the red team. Sauce and serve it, fight the plate.
Service. Thank you, service.
Thank you.
Wow, yes.
Whoa, yeah. Nice job, guys. Nice job. Nice finish.
No way. No way.
Red team, blue team, just don't stop clearing down.
At the end of the day, we did it. We executed. We had a shaky start at the beginning, but it tastes very good. Those people are going to vote. If our dish tastes better,
That's all it is. The fish is cooked right.
see what happens.
Red team, blue team. Tonight, we ask you to help celebrate this incredible 50th birthday here at Caesar's Palace.
Both teams had their highs and their lows this evening, and one team came out on top.
The winner of tonight's challenge had 68% of the votes. And that winning team is...
Congratulations. Red team! Incredible. 68% of the votes.
Oh my god. First team challenge I've ever won, and I was team captain. It paid off to choose my team.
Blue team, you know what this means. A credit pressure test. Please, head back into the kitchen and start clearing down. Let's go.
It's another team challenge with me being on the losing end. The only person left who can say that they're 0-4 right now is this guy. Vegas luck was not on my side tonight.
It wasn't with the folks, and we wasted time knowing that we didn't need to be going the whole place off with the game. Blue team, line up please, let's go. Quick. That was a landslide for the red team.
Absolutely was.
Twice as many votes as you. Listen carefully. 6 of you performed